It's kind of crazy to think that I wear these more than I wear these. What's good, fam? Today we're back in the stew because I want to show you guys my current sneaker rotation, from some of my go-to sneakers to some that I'm scared to wear, and even some sneakers that I never wear. We're going to discuss all of that in this video. If y'all end up enjoying, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and I truly do apologize for the lack of videos recently. I've been trying to finalize my brand so I could finally bring it to you guys. Let me know what y'all think of these two designs. I'm gonna be dropping way more, so make sure you guys stay tuned. If you're trying to stay up to date with my brand, all you have to do is go on NORI.co and sign up for the newsletter, because we are gonna be dropping some heat. I got some great ass quality, better than Supreme, trust me, we going crazy. But with all that being said, let's get straight into my current sneaker rotation. So lately there's been a mix of beaters and heaters, so I'm gonna kind of try to interchange it. First, we got the go get a haircut on Saturday mornings right here, the true blue threes. These are yellowed, bro. They look destroyed. They low-key have some hair on it. I'm not even gonna lie, I never even cleaned them. Threads are falling apart. These are finished, bro. Honestly, I wish they looked like they look on camera right now, because this is deceiving. These shits are destroyed, bro. Look at the hair on them. Destroyed, bro. Like, they're done. It's over. Strings are beat. Like, these are just going out sad, I'm not gonna lie. And I low-key gotta wear these on Saturday because it's almost time to get a haircut. Look at my shit, bro. It's wolfing crazy. Just thought I should show y'all because these go unnoticed. Might as well talk about them a little bit. I might try to wash the shoestrings on these or something, bro, because this is one of my favorite pair of threes. I haven't been treating them too good, so yeah. The second pair I'm gonna go over is another one that became one of my go-tos, is the Yeezy 350 in the bread colorway. I've honestly included these in a previous sneaker rotation and nothing has changed, bro. I've kept wearing these. Honestly, wore these shit to Mom Duke's crib yesterday. I was out there grounding in the backyard. Hey, put your feet in the grass. Let the earth suck in all that toxicity that's inside you, you feel me? But yeah, that's what I was doing yesterday. And I went over there in the breads, bro. This is a comfortable sneaker you could just wear if you go on to Target, if you just on a chill day, you feel me? You could also dress these up. Not a lot of people do, but shit, I gotta kind of try to take care of these because we don't know if they ever coming back. But let me know if you guys heard of Adidas trying to sign Ye again. Let me know if that would be a good move for Ye or for Adidas. If it was me in Ye's position, I would probably go back. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but the amount of leverage I would have, bro, Adidas would be in debt even after signing me. Like, it would be done, bro. I need everything. All my patents, they wouldn't be able to release anything without me approving it. Like, it would be a crazy type of relationship. I would have all the trust issues. But yeah, these right here, the bread 350s, beautiful shoe. I'm glad I paid resale for these. I literally paid $350 for these. It's one of my top 3 350 V2s. So like a week ago, I had to go to a Sweet 16, and the only shoe in my collection that I could possibly dress up is my Prada thing. So I got the Prada sock head ass, and I honestly realized that I need to buy more dressy shoes, because to be honest, bro, all I got is these right here. And every time one of those occasions roll around where I gotta put a nice sweater on, some nice pants, this is the only shit I got, bro. Like, it's a sad story, but I'm a sneakerhead at heart. What can I tell you, bro? I don't really got too many dress shoes, and as I'm adulting, I realize that it's something I kind of got to get into. But yeah, these are the Pradas. They literally just have Prada right there. Nothing else on the shoe besides on the back. It says Prada as well, but nothing too crazy. Literally, you could wear these with pretty much anything, which is a plus in my situation. So I decided to wear these to the Sweet 16. Let me know what's a dress shoe that you recommend me to buy. I don't want nothing too dressy, like no cowboy boots and no shit like that, but I do feel like I need to incorporate something into my collection because I'm tired of wearing the Pradas every time I gotta go out. This next sneaker honestly became one of my favorites in the collection. The 2002R Protection Pack is undeniably one of the best sneakers I own. I wear these more than I should. I want to get the gray pair of these just because it's beautiful, it's comfortable, and it goes with so many fits. Like, honestly, I really love these, bro. They're lightweight. I don't know what took me so long to get into New Balances, because these right here prove everything that people were saying about New Balance. I really love these, and honestly, I need more colors. Blue and gray joints. I need the all gray joints. I'll take them all, bro. All the 2002R Protection Pack colorways are gorgeous, and this one right here, yo.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Fire. If you guys are watching this far into the video, please leave a like so we can spread this to the algorithm, and anybody that loves sneaker content, it definitely would mean a lot. And while you're down there, if you're not subscribed, hey, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what y'all would like to see. see. Content based around my brand is coming soon, from how to start a brand in 2023, the right ways to make your brand stand out. All that type of content is coming soon, I promise y'all. Make sure you subscribe to the newsletter for my brand as well, because yo, I feel like we coming with some heat. That's just literally the first of everything. Like, I got so much on the way. So let's get back to the video. 2002 Rs, can't go wrong, bro. If there's one pair you're even considering from this whole video, these shits right here. This is it, bro. Let's take a quick intermission and talk about the sneakers that I wish I could wear more often, but I honestly can't. It's the Jordan 6 Lakers and the Varsity Reds. These are two of my favorite sneakers in my entire collection. Only issue with these is the fact that they're so old that the paint started cracking. I want to show y'all, bro, because honestly, wear your sneakers. Like, please do. If you have Jordan 6s and you got them on ice because you don't want them to up, please wear them. You don't want this shit to happen right here. Every time I step out, they start cracking more, bro. Like, I got them and it was all red. I wore them a couple times and they started getting like this, and I noticed that every time I wear them, it's worse. I haven't worn the Lakers that much for that same situation. Like, I'm afraid they're gonna crack all the way on me. And if you guys know, with Jordans, if you don't wear it, the midsole starts cracking, and the way to know if they're gonna crack is if the midsole is stiff or this bubble on the inside starts fogging up. Low-key had to put the flash on it, but the inside on this bubble is looking crazy, so I'm honestly afraid. And it's literally the same for both pairs, so I guess I gotta wear these a couple more times, maybe on a light little walk, to take a really good fit pick with these shits, because this is probably my favorite shoe, bro. From the black to the way the red hits on this, it's different than the infrareds, but I just can't wear them, and that shit sucks, bro. Like, let me know if you guys have any sneakers in your collection that you honestly just are afraid to wear at this point, or do you still wear them? They're low-key destroyed, bro. Like, the paint is literally peeling off. We got 3 more sneakers to go over, one of them being the CDG Air Force Ones. Honestly, I bought these by mistake, and I'm pretty sure y'all have seen these a couple times on these videos already. It's a sneaker that I always end up having in my rotation. Camera's not doing it justice, but I need to clean these, bro. I love them. I feel like that black and white Air Force activity on these isn't too bad. You get the little extra hits of CDG Supreme on the back, the split swoosh Supreme CDG on the little badge. It's just an overall clean sneaker. That's probably why I end up wearing it so much. Leather on this actually isn't that bad. It's a pretty good leather. I've worn them a lot and they still look kind of clean. I just need to clean the midsole because they get dirty. It's just what it is. But yeah, CDG Air Force Ones, honestly one of my go-tos. Every time I have like a whatever outfit on, I throw these on and I feel like it just elevates it to a certain level. And the fact that they're black and white just makes it look stylish with any outfit. So these are a must. We got 2 more sneakers to go over. Then I'm gonna talk about the sneaker that I never wear, and you guys are probably gonna hate what I have to say about that, so stay tuned. First is my second beater in this video, the Jordan 9 Anthracites. I've had these since 2015, maybe 16. Every time it rains crazy outside, it snows crazy outside, this is what I got on, bro. This is like some boots without being boots. You feel what I'm saying? Like, these are high as shit, thick as shit, insulated, you feel me? Whatever you need, right here. I'm not really gonna talk about them too much. Anthracite Jordan 9s. I'm honestly waiting on a couple more colorways. Like, if they release the black and white joints, I think it's called Playoff 9s. If those drop again, that's a must cop. I honestly love the way these look, but it just depends on the color, bro. Like, I wanted the olives to release and then they added all the baby blue and purple. I was like, nah, bro, I'm good on those shit. Anthracite 9s, whenever it's snowing or raining, this is what I'm in. The last sneaker I actually wore was these babies right here. I wore them for a little fit pick. I'm not gonna bullshit y'all. Didn't really wear them too far, you feel me? I went on a little cabin vacation with Bae. Let me know if y'all want to see that vlog. Low-key still gotta edit that. But I took a nice little fit pick in these, which might be going on my Instagram soon. And so they deserve to be on this video, bro. I unds'd them, which I guess counts, you feel me? I wore them. Still haven't really stepped in them too much, but they were on my feet, you feel me? Lost and found Jordan 1s. Beautiful. If you guys don't know, Jordan 1s actually don't have this issue right here. You can buy a 1985 pair of these and they won't crack on you. It's simply because of the air bubble, the way they did the paint and the way that they are, it just crumbles. But on this model, that would never happen. So that is a plus. If you're looking to buy older retros, the Jordan 1 will never fall apart on you. But shit, I wore these right here and I never wore these, which is crazy to think, because because I spent $1,600 on this shoe right here and I've literally never wore it outside my house. It's kind of depressing to think about. I don't know why I haven't worn them. I guess I've low-key been waiting on the perfect outfit. I don't know, bro, but I never wear these. It's obviously unds because I bought them used, which is even worse, bro, because the shoe's already used and I still haven't worn it. It's not like I'm keeping it dead stock, all precious and shit. Like, bro, no, I bought them used and I still haven't worn them. Like, please help me figure out why that is. And while you're down there, bro, don't hate on me. I don't know what it is about these. I wear my off-white 5s, the off-white Prestos, and some of my other heaters too, but when it comes to these, I just don't know what it is, bro. I'ma definitely have to pull these out, bro. If I don't wear these by my birthday, on my birthday, I gotta wear these. I don't know if it's the pink lace. I don't know what it is. It's kind of crazy to think that I wear these more than these right here. I need to understand. Please help me. I'm stressed out, bro. And that's pretty much it for the sneakers that are in my current rotation. These are the ones that I honestly go to when I'm looking for something to wear. It's the ones that always stand out to me. I spoke about the ones that I'm scared to wear and the pair of sneakers that I spent the most but I wear the least, which still boggles my mind. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, if you guys want to support my brand once I drop, all you have to do is click the link at the top of the description, NORI.co, and sign up for the newsletter because I'm gonna have some news and official dates coming soon. All you have to do is click that link. Shit, if you have a girlfriend or a mama that loves candles, my girl is actually gonna drop her candle business tomorrow. We out here working, bro. That's probably why the videos have been less and less lately, but you feel me? Once everything is smooth sailing, we about to start going crazy. So make sure y'all support. With all that being said, I love you guys. Thank you for making it to the end of the video, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.